Hey friends! Enhance your driving experience with these top-rated car phone holders designed for maximum stability, safety, and effortless hands-free navigation. In this video, we're taking a look at the best car phone holders for dashboard windshield in 2026, known for their real quality and performance. I've put this list together based on my personal opinion and hours of research, considering popularity, quality, price, durability, user feedback, and more. If you want more details and the latest prices, check out the description below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest tech reviews. Let's dive right in. Starting with our first Blooker car phone holder mount. The 2025/2026 Universal Car Phone Holder is a reliable and versatile solution for any driver looking for safety and convenience. Its upgraded robust metal clip hook securely attaches to both horizontal and vertical air vents, keeping your phone firmly in place even on bumpy roads. Designed for ease, the holder features a one-handed release system. Simply press the clamping arms on both sides to lock or release your phone, allowing for safer driving without complicated maneuvers. The 360 degrees rotatable ball joint provides flexible horizontal and vertical adjustments, giving you the perfect viewing angle without blocking your line of sight. Compatible with phones 4.0 to 7.0 inches, including the latest iPhone 17 series and Samsung Galaxy models, this mount features soft silicone pads to prevent scratches and slips. Next up, our second product, the Lamicall metal hook car phone holder. This thoughtfully designed mount prioritizes stability and device protection. Its innovative 4-lock protection system ensures a secure grip on vertical and horizontal air vents, keeping your phone steady during sharp turns. The hook extension ranges from 10 mm to 29 mm, making it one of the most adaptable vent mounts on the market. The upgraded arms accommodate thicker cases, including rugged wallet or battery cases, while the ultra-thick silicone back layer provides complete scratch protection. Crafted from durable PC plus ABS materials, the holder can withstand extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 194 degrees Fahrenheit. With 360-degree rotation, you can adjust your phone to the perfect viewing angle for navigation or calls. Installation is effortless, requiring only 2 simple steps to secure your device for the road ahead. Coming in at number 3, the MagSafe magnetic phone holder for car. This is an innovative solution specifically optimized for the iPhone 12 through iPhone 17 series. It works seamlessly with Apple's MagSafe technology and other magnetic cases, requiring no extra metal plates. For non-MagSafe phones, included metal rings ensure a secure hold without interfering with wireless charging. Equipped with 20 powerful RB magnets, this mount delivers a super strong magnetic force that holds your device steadily even on the most uneven surfaces. The sturdy air vent clip features built-in metal and soft silicone for maximum stability while protecting your vent blades. With its 360-degree rotation and one-hand operation, you can switch between horizontal and vertical viewing angles effortlessly. This mount combines modern convenience with a sleek design, making it an excellent choice for drivers who prioritize a minimalist look. Now, let's talk about our fourth, the Susun car phone holder mount. The Susun 3-in-1 car mount is a versatile and reliable choice designed for any driving environment. Its standout feature is the ability to install on the dashboard, windshield, or air vent, making it adaptable to almost all cars, trucks, and SUVs. The powerful 3-layer adhesive gel suction cup, combined with a one-step locking mechanism, ensures a strong bond that withstands extreme temperatures without leaving residue. With a simple one-button release, you can mount or remove your phone in seconds, perfect for safe, one-handed operation. The holder accommodates phones ranging from 4.0 inch to 7.0, with a wider grip and adjustable foot for a secure fit. The upgraded vacuum. Silicone rubber prevents scratches, while the internal mechanical structure ensures your phone stays firmly in place on bumpy roads or at high speeds. And last but certainly not least, our final pick, the SHGeek wireless car charger. This 15W Qi fast wireless car charger is a high-tech solution for hands-free driving and rapid power delivery. Equipped with an upgraded smart chip, it intelligently delivers the fastest charging speed for your device, offering up to 15W for Google and LG phones, and specialized speeds for Samsung and iPhone. Safety is a top priority, featuring foreign object detection that triggers an alarm if metal is detected between the phone and charger. The mount also automatically powers off when the device is fully charged to protect battery health. Designed for convenience, the motorized arms clamp your phone automatically and support cases up to 6 mm thick. Its 360 degrees rotating sphere and retractable bracket allow for flexible viewing angles on the dashboard, windshield, or air vent, making it a must-have for power users. Thanks for watching Auto Garage. We hope this video helped you find the perfect automotive gear and accessories for your ride. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to support the channel. Got any questions about the products or need help choosing the right one? Drop them in the comments below, we're always here to help. Stay tuned for more top automotive picks, honest reviews, and the latest car gadgets, right here on Auto Garage. See you in the next one.